Hey, it's Tom Z with Traction Real Estate Mentors. In this quick video, I want to introduce you to a fellow entrepreneur, and we're going to get some great tips of wisdom. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. I'm here with Noel Lloyd. Now, Noel has been an entrepreneur for many years, and many years. And like I teach real estate investors, Noel teaches chiropractors. So, Noel and Lloyd, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
Awesome. So, what have you learned over the years in terms of what makes a great entrepreneur?
I think it boils down to help people, have fun, make money. So number one, what you do, whether it's working in real estate or chiropractic or whatever service. I have a good friend who's a plumber and another good friend who has a home products business. It's help people. So having the focus of being of service to your customer and wanting them to do well. In chiropractic, of course, we want our patients to do well. We want our teams to do well. We want young chiropractors who work for us to do well. Number two, have fun. If you're doing your job in a way that isn't fun, you're doing it wrong. And that means you have an obligation, especially if you're the boss, you're the entrepreneur, is to develop the business in such a way that it's enjoyable. And I look forward to going to work. I look forward to serving my clients. I look forward to working with the people. And then number three, it's got to make money. You know, we've all been to the little bakery that didn't know how to do the bakery business. They didn't get the money right, so there's no more bakery. Or we went to the dry cleaner or whatever other business. And they could have been wonderful bakers, great dry cleaners, but if you don't know how to do the money right, if you can't do the business, you're not going to be there next year. So help people, have fun, make money. Those things all fit together. And if those are your guidelines, you'll do really well.
So, I think some people hesitate about, oh, I feel bad about making money, or aren't I taking advantage of people for making money? Well, how can it be fun if it's still work? How do you answer all those kind of objections?
Well, so let's go back to helping people. Let's start there. I believe that there's something that happens good in your soul and in your spirit and your heart when you truly help people. And so if I can help people and help people in a fun way, for instance, working with clients, helping them solve their problems, helping them work on something that has been really a problem for them for a while, that for me, that's fun. Also, to put it together in a fun setting, it's my job to make sure the meetings are fun, the coaching is fun. And then as far as making money, if you offer a great service at a great price point and you know how to scale, then you're going to make great money. If you're not making money, there's a problem, because the profit motive means that you're going to be there next year. Means that, well, money attracts the best and brightest. And so I would rather have the best and brightest do the right thing for somebody to help them. Number two, to do it in a fun way. And then number three, do it well enough that you can make great money at it.
See, now that's I think some people get hung up on the making money part of it.
Yeah.
How can you do good and still make money? Because a lot of times in society, you know as well as I do, making money's been demonized.
Right.
And so aren't we the bad guy if we make money? How is it that you can be a good guy by helping people and making money?
Capitalism has raised more people out of poverty than anything that you can name. And as far as you have the freedom to pursue your goals and to do that. If people aren't willing to pay your service fees, if they're not willing to pay you as a client, then you're not going to make money. If you offer a valuable enough service and you really help somebody, then they'll pay what you charge, and then it's your responsibility to run the business in a responsible way so that you can make a great profit.
No, I'm glad you said that. Sometimes I have students say to me this, well, if a motivated seller of a real estate property sees how much money you're making, aren't they going to get upset? No, they never are. The closings are always high fives, hugs, handshakes, because that you solve their problem.
Right.
And they expect you to make money in the process because they know you're doing it as a business. And so
Right.
there's no, it's just, I sometimes think until people see that,
Right.
you can't, you kind of have to trust us on that. When you get to that point, it's going to be a magical thing that occurs with
Right.
people. And
Right.
it's when you keep those three things in mind, it's a much happier kind of business, right?
It's a great business. I'm 72. I've been a chiropractor for 50 years. I've been an entrepreneur for 40 years. 50 years really, entrepreneur, but also helping other chiropractors help their patients and then help young chiropractors working with them. The young chiropractors that I talk to who talk about my clients who they work for are so thrilled with the results. Now, are those young chiropractors making my clients money as they work for them? Yes, but my young chiropractors that work for my clients, they're making absolutely excellent money as well. And the patient's getting great service. It's just delivered well at a great price point that everybody wins. There are no losers.
It's win-win-win all the way around. Now,
Right.
some people pick on that. They say, "Oh, that's cheesy. You can't say it's win-win. Win-win doesn't exist. Win-win does exist.
It does exist.
It does
Yeah.
exist because
Yeah.
you make sure it's a win for you. It's a win for your partners in your business. It's a win for your clients. If everybody's happy, there are no losers.
And think of it this way: there's no long-term relationship that you have that isn't win-win. If it is, if you have a long-term relationship that isn't win-win, it's abusive. And so, if you have great marriage, it's win-win. If you have great employees who work with you, it's win-win. And if you do a good job for your clients, you can make it win-win. And teach them the win-win philosophy. Help people, have fun, make money.
I love it. Thanks, Noel.
You're welcome.
That's our tip for today. Noel Lloyd, thanks very much. We're in Washington State. Absolutely.
Camano Island in
Camano
Washington,
Island. It's
yeah.
fantastic. So, Tom ZEEB and Noel Lloyd signing off.
So, Kate, if the water's cold.